폭풍우가 몰아치는 파나마의 정글. 한 명의 교관과 6명의 특수부대원들은 훈련을 강행합니다. 그리고 17시간 후 연락이 두절되자 구조 헬기가 출동하는데 뜻밖의 상황을 목격하게 되죠. 결국 2명의 병사만 귀환하게 되는데 뒤쫓던 뮬러는 총에 맞아 사망하고 엎혀있던 캔들은 응급실로 보내집니다. 그리고 뮬러를 죽인 덤바는 헌병대장 오스본에게 조사를 받게 되죠. 덤바는 같은 부대 출신의 수사관에게만 조사를 받겠다며 고집을 부리고 고민하던 부대장 빌은 덤바의 요청을 들어주기로 합니다. 그렇게 특수부대 출신의 마약 수사관 톰 하디가 합류하게 되고
Sir, I am Julia Osborne. I am the provost marshal here.
We're missing 3 and the sergeant. Captain, will you excuse us for a moment?
두 사람은 비밀스러운 대화를 나누고
The soldier we're talking to first is Dunbar.
I'll let you know how it turns out.
Questioned him for 2 hours and didn't make a sound.
I bet I can get him to talk in under 3 minutes. Sergeant Dunbar, that you're not talking. You can still eat in front of someone and not talk. To talk to till your transpo showed up. Want to talk baseball?
Sir, I don't like baseball.
드디어 말문이 트였지만
Sir, I requested a fellow ranger.
You know, I was here in the 75th, right under Sergeant West. Where West and the others are, and they're dead, aren't they?
Yes, sir.
하지만 자세한 이야기는 해주지 않았고 빌은 재촉하기 시작합니다.
Why don't you tell us about the other kids?
Those of you I find lacking will quit.
엄하기로 유명했던 웨스트 교관은
What the fuck are you doing? Have you lost your fucking mind?
처음부터 파이크를 싫어했습니다.
At the beginning, Wes had a chip on his shoulder for this guy named Pike. Wes really knew how to get you exhausted. Those damn packs got heavy, man. I mean, nobody ever hated anything like we hated those damn packs.
그리고 파이크에 대한 괴롭힘은 계속 이어졌죠.
You lied to make the other guy die. Take off your pack. You're going to take 40 days to 40 nights.
That's what we were coming back from yesterday afternoon.
What we have here is an opportunity. Dunbar, Kendall, Mueller, Nunez, Castro. Jesus. What was that, Mr. Pike? Then you can join me.
이렇게 6명의 병사들이 문제의 훈련에 함께하게 됐습니다.
And that is all I'm saying.
Carried Kendall wounded to the pickup to make Mueller want to kill you.
덤바는 다시 입을 다물고 이번엔 캔들을 만나러 병원으로 향하죠.
Milmer, as I live and breathe, how are you?
I'm running this joint.
동기였던 빌머를 만나는데 그는 과거의 오스본과 연인 사이였습니다.
Oh no, I'm really fatigued. DEA agent with friends in low places.
캔들은 진술을 거부하고
Things are not what they seem.
Don't know how much Dunbar told us already.
톰은 으름장을 놓은 후 밖으로 나와버리는데
Patient is asking for you.
전략이 먹혔습니다. 동성애자였던 캔들은 장군으로 복무하는 아버지에게 들키게 되고
The one thing he cannot stand is the scandal.
Family history lesson coming to a point.
My father transferred me into West training course.
그리고 교관에게 위협을 느꼈다고 진술하죠.
Kendall, Castro.
Started getting in my head that maybe West had paid him. Maybe he was the one who was supposed to give me a training accident. He's threatening my life. It was clear as day.
But there's this thing called motive, and you just gave yourself one.
I didn't kill him. All I could think of was West was out here somewhere in this godforsaken swamp. Hurricane was waiting.
카스트로와 캔들은 훈련을 이어나가는데 갑자기 백린탄이 터지고 두 사람은 그쪽으로 가보는데 교관이 죽어 있었습니다. 이어서 누니에즈가 나타나고
Where's Spike?
We got separated.
Oh, yeah?
Are we gonna leave it like this?
We have to. The SPs will secure the site till the CID gets here.
세 사람은 집결지로 이동하는데 그곳에 뮬러와 덤바가 이미 와 있었죠.
West is dead.
The phosphorus grenade in the back.
Where the hell? Pike!
사라진 파이크 때문에 누니에즈가 의심받고
Let me see your grenade, Nunez.
Here it is. One. Here it is.
그때 파이크가 나타나는데 그는 살인을 자백합니다.
I killed him.
He admitted it?
We would turn Pike in, so then everybody agreed.
Tell me that you ain't glad for West is dead. All we gotta do is get rid of Mueller and Nunez.
캔들은 그의 말을 듣지 않았지만
You're out of your mind.
덤바가 파이크에게 설득돼버리고 총을 꺼낸 덤바는 뮬러를 죽이려 했죠. 이때 벌어진 총격전으로 3명이 사망하고 말았습니다.
Mueller was chasing Dunbar.
Because he had shot Castro.
Why did he carry you out?
Maybe he wanted somebody to cover for him.
That's it?
뭔가 미심쩍긴 했지만 톰은 수사를 종결하려 했고
No, Dunbar came back for Kendall.
There's no physical proof. We need a confession. It's not enough for me.
다시 덤바를 찾아갑니다.
He's lying.
You got something to say? Say it.
Did Kendall tell you about the drugs? Sold them out of the hospital for $50 a pop.
So before you were accused of murder.
I didn't shoot West.
I know. Pike did.
You think you know everything, don't you?
And spend the rest of your life in a cell, and you'll be hanged.
Tom,
You know what he's all about, and you stood by. It was just a matter of time before someone fragged his ass.
화가 난 톰은 밖으로 나가버리고
I wanted him dead 15 years ago, and now you're telling me I should feel bad about someone who offed him?
Now they're never gonna get to tell their story, never gonna get to expose West for the monster you say he was.
I didn't shoot West. Kendall said he was burned by a phosphorus grenade. Dunbar never saw the body.
I apologize.
You saw West's body.
Of course I did.
이제 덤바는 진실을 털어놓기 시작합니다.
He found him like this.
I was at the body. We didn't see Mueller until we got back to the bunker.
Pike and I got separated, then I heard gunfire.
But Mueller still had his grenade.
Okay, what happened next?
그때 파이크가 나타나고
where have you been, Jay?
Hurricane out there, okay? I couldn't find the spot.
모두 파이크를 의심하는데
To show them the Pike.
군장에는 백린탄이 없었죠.
We're friends, right?
West more than any of us.
Maybe, but not enough to be a damn.
파이크는 뮬러가 범인이라 말하는데
Demerol and anabolics. Mueller gave us.
뮬러와 카스트로는 병원에서 마약을 빼돌렸고 교관이 그것을 눈치챘다고 말했죠. 뮬러가 백린탄을 터뜨린 후 뒤에서 교관을 죽였다고 합니다.
Want somebody close range? They're gonna be swimming in blood. Look at me. Now how about Mueller? When I walked in, he wasn't wearing shit.
파이크의 말을 믿은 덤바는 그를 풀어주려 했고
What the hell you doing? Hey, wake up! Yeah, well, where's his shirt, Mueller? Ask him where his shirt is.
뮬러는 자신이 의심받게 되자
Where's the murder?
파이크를 쏴버립니다. 카스트로와 뉴네즈는 뮬러의 편을 드는데 그때 벙커가 무너지고 무차별 총격이 시작됐죠.
Kill West, blame it on Pike. Mueller flips out and shoots her fall guy. They have to bring Dunbar and Kendall into their cover story.
Great. You're gonna have to put what you said in writing.
덤바는 마약의 증거를 꺼내는데 병원 책임자 빌머가 공급처라고 말합니다.
Serious? How about the drugs?
No!
Pike said the supplier was someone over at the hospital.
I want a lawyer.
So I don't have anything to lose.
I called them combat cocktails.
Who else was involved?
Mueller and that kid who took a bullet. I don't know shit about what happened last night, all right?
Riggs!
Nice seeing you again, Pete.
이제 새로운 단서가 나왔지만 부대장 빌은 조사를 마무리하라고 하죠. 하지만 여기서 멈출 수는 없었고 다시 캔들을 찾아갑니다.
You tried to pin 3 stone murders on Dunbar.
I don't remember that at all.
The man saved your life.
Is that what you think you have on me?
Got the story straight.
두 사람이 모두 의심됐던 오스본은 캔들을 강하게 압박하는데
I was just telling you the truth. I really was. Fucking full of shit.
갑자기 캔들은 이상 증세를 보이게 되고 오스본에게 단서를 남긴 채 사망하게 되죠.
You'll be lucky if I don't put you in for a court-martial. 10 minutes he gets on a plane, which means you're done.
캔들은 8이라는 숫자를 남겼는데 덤바가 쓴 메모와 같은 번호였습니다. 그리고 톰은 빌에게 들었던 이야기가 생각나게 되죠.
Captain, will you excuse us for a moment?
Any spooks involved here?
But the note that kid wrote, ate him.
빌은 군대 내에 타락한 비밀 조직이 연관이 있을 거라고 생각했습니다.
That's what this outfit called themselves. Section 8.
How could you keep that from me?
Classified.
그리고 빌머를 통해 어이없는 사실을 알게 되는데
I'm on the same transport as Pike.
You mean Dunbar?
That was Dunbar.
Ray Dunbar is black.
그의 이름은 덤바가 아니라 파이크였습니다. 파이크의 거짓을 알아낸 두 사람은 비행장으로 달려갑니다. 톰은 파이크를 끌어내리고 파이크는 모든 것을 사실대로 말하게 되죠.
Well, well, well.
I told you he knows.
Coke. They were sending pounds of it back to the States using military supply lines. Vilmer would hide it in crates of files. West figured it out about a week ago. He was going to go to the colonel. Kendall and Mueller must have decided to take him out of the equation.
그들은 교관을 없애려 했지만 노련했던 웨스트는 감쪽같이 사라져버렸습니다. 그리고 뉴네즈가 쫓아갔지만 교관에게 당하고 말죠. 파이크는 자신의 말을 입증하기 위해 마약의 위치를 이야기하는데
Where did the coke come from?
Throw a rock in any direction, you'll hit 3 cartels. About an hour later, Kendall and I found Dunbar.
그때 웨스트가 나타나고 파이크와 얘기하는 도중 카스트로가 웨스트를 사살하죠.
Sarge died, they blamed me. Took Dunbar's dog tags. Die, after all, came after us with a vengeance.
How'd you get Kendall to go along with switching Dunbar's dog tag?
I gave him a choice. Go along or I drop a dime on his drug scam.
It's there, just like you see it. I don't think you're gonna get any deals.
이렇게 베일에 가려져 있던 진실이 드러났지만 톰은 빌이 의심스러웠습니다.
Tell the colonel. Now, why would he wait until the end of the week to tell you?
You think the kid was lying?
You told Mueller and Kendall to kill him.
Then what did I do? Go and poison Kendall?
Found out. I mean, hospital found out 3 minutes ago. I was on the phone with a pathologist.
빌은 유도신문에 넘어갔고
I just have to get you to the real guys.
1/3.
You called me, so in case I stumbled upon something.
Now, why don't you cut yourself a break, for Christ's sake? 40%.
그리고 톰이 거절하자 총을 뽑아듭니다. 빌의 사망으로 사건은 종결되고
You don't worry that theory on that.
두 사람은 다음을 기약하는데 돌아가는 톰의 모습을 보면서 묘한 기시감을 느끼게 됩니다.
Tell the story.
Tell the story, right?
오스본은 톰을 쫓아가는데 놀랍게도 톰은 파이크와 접선하죠. 그리고 어떤 골목으로 들어가는데 톰이 들어간 곳엔 확실한 표식이 있었습니다.
Friends in low places. Wear on your conscience or just...
Section 8.
Put your hands on the table. You know about the coke?
Yes, I do.
Vilmer. In fact, they work for you because you're Section 8.
She thinks I killed you. Captain.
Sit. It's safe.
So you found out about the coke and you told Stiles?
Yeah, who did nothing.
Except order Kendall and Mueller to kill you.
이곳은 섹션 8의 아지트였고 죽은 줄 알았던 카스트로, 뉴네즈, 덤바까지 있었습니다. 사실 섹션 8은 군대 내 비리를 해결하는 비밀 조직이었고 파나마 마약 사건을 해결하기 위해 웨스트, 파이크, 누네즈, 카스트로, 덤바가 투입되었죠. 그리고 캔들과 뮬러, 빌모의 혐의를 밝혀냈지만 빌은 보고를 묵살한 채 웨스트를 죽이려 했습니다. 그래서 작전은 수정되었고 최윗선인 부대장까지 잡기 위해서 파이크가 톰을 호출하게 됐습니다. 이렇게 복잡한 계획 끝에 작전은 성공하게 됐고 아지트에서 축하 파티를 하는 중이었죠.
Okay, so now that I know all this,
I'm gonna offer you a job.
Colonel.
2004년 개봉작 베이직은 반전의 반전을 거듭하는 밀리터리 스릴러입니다. 너무 많은 등장인물과 복잡한 스토리 그리고 마무리 단계에서 충분한 설명 없이 끝냈다는 점 때문에 다소 박한 평을 받기도 하지만 이렇게 반전으로 가득한 복잡한 스토리를 집중력을 잃지 않고 연출했다는 점에서 꽤나 괜찮았던 작품이라 생각합니다. 영화 제목 베이직은 결국 섹션 8의 작전이 이 모든 사건의 기본 혹은 기초였다는 암시를 품고 있으나 이 영화의 반전은 아무도 맞추지 못했다는 소문이 있습니다. 반전 영화를 좋아하신다면 필청해야 되는 영화로 현재 티빙, 웨이브, 왓챠 등 다양한 OTT에서 감상하실 수 있습니다. 재밌게 감상하셨다면 구독과 좋아요를 부탁드리면서 다음 영상으로 찾아뵙겠습니다.
Get a needle in my arm and wake up tomorrow morning with no memory.
영화 베이직이었습니다.